Hi PD. So this is Molly and Andrea, and we're going to talk about our tubing fluid circuit today. Just kind of walk you through our design here. So on the top you can kind of see our venous circuit, but we're going to start on the bottom. So this is kind of our fluid supply circuit. So it looks kind of messy right now. We will have this more attached and more in order when we obviously give you our final product. So down the bottom here you can see our fluid reservoir. So that will be full of our viscous blood simulating fluid. And right now, once again, it's a little messy because we haven't formally attached these things to our reservoir yet. You can see our pump here, so this is our aquarium pump. And then you can see our aquarium heater as well. That's going to be heating up our system. And on the bottom here, so you can see the pump connects to all of these tubings, and then we have various Y connectors bringing the different supplies to our top side circuit. So what you would do when you wanted to start this device before you got to the electrical circuit part of it is you would plug in both your aquarium heater and your aquarium pump. So we'll have this on a surge protector, but for right now, for today, we don't have that hooked up yet. And as of right now, we have no leaks, so that's okay. So if you want to come over here, Andrea, we can walk through our circuit. So you can kind of maybe see that the fluid's flowing through our circuit, but here we have kind of the venous tubings that are simulating the veins in vivo. So if we start here, so you can see that we don't have our pressure sensors attached yet, but we'll kind of point out where those will be attached, and then Kevin and Eric will talk you through more about the pressure and the electrical sensors. So here would be the site of our first pressure sensor. So that's upstream of the insertion site. And right here we would have our insertion site. So right now that's just a rubber stopper, and our plan right now is just to have a needle, and you would insert the catheter through that needle like you would do it in the body. And so this is the bottom basilic vein, and this is the entrance of the median cubital vein in vivo. And then we have the location of our second pressure sensor. So this would be a little bit downstream of the short catheter. So then we go up through our mid-basilic vein, and then we reach our third pressure sensor. So this is around the end of the midline catheter. And then we see the entrance of our brachial vein. We go up a little further through our axillary vein, and then the entrance of our cephalic vein into our subclavian. So you can see here there's getting to be more and more fluid as we go through. And then this is the entrance that's kind of simulating the right-hand side of the body and the internal external jugular veins. And then here we have our